Let's see what we're going to be doing today. Mystery box. I ordered a few things. I don't know which one's which. So we'll check this one. Okay, so this one is light switches. In my washroom, I was having a problem with, I'll show you as we get in there. As I come to the washroom, if you notice on here, there's no light switch here. These light switches are not for the washroom, which are the ones on the wall here. So by rights, there should be a switch right here for the washroom. And what happens is people come in here, and if you open the door, you look, there's no switch there. They look here, they look around there, they look in here. There's absolutely nothing until you hold the door, and bang, the switches are there. So whoever originally did this, they just put that in a bad spot. So most people, when they first come here, they try to use the washroom, and they can't find the light switch. So I figured I could drill a hole, fish wires all the way through to bring a light switch on the outside. I figured the easiest way to go is with this. So we're going to give this a shot. And I guess another piece, we'll find out what all that is when I do it. I've done it for two things. One, the hallway going upstairs to the bedroom. There's no switch on the top. Whoever originally wired the house put a 14.2 instead of a 14.3. So therefore, they couldn't have the two switches. So that would be, again, drilling a bunch of drywall, running a new line, or use this. So I've got two spots in the house. I'm going to be using this. Okay, what do we have this time? Another box. We'll find out exactly what it is. Like I say, I did order this. Trying to think, it's been sitting in the house since the winter. I ordered it last winter. Right now we're in late August. Yeah, late August. What's the date today? September 1. Is it today? Oh, late August. Okay, 1st September. Anyway, so these were in here in the house since last winter. I just never got around to installing them, and I never opened them. Hopefully everything's good. Okay, what do we have here? Aha. Okay, the washroom window. Well, I had a blind on there, and I'll explain more in detail when I go inside. Anyway, the blind was causing a whole bunch of moisture to be caught between the blind and the window, and everything inside there turned moldy. And because of that, I took the blind off. I had to do a lot of, I'll explain when I get inside. So anyway, I picked up something to go on the window, so I don't need the blind anymore, so nobody can see inside, and a squeegee and everything to install this. So I'll go inside and I'll show you and I'll explain more what the problem was. I kind of fixed it. It's been since the winter. It's a bit of a long process to, it was either do what I did or replace the window. Okay, so we'll go inside and I'll explain more on that. Okay, I was having a problem in the washroom. A lot of mold starting to grow because you finish taking your shower, you have the fan on, and then you leave to go away for the day, so you got to shut your fan off, and the moisture stays in the washroom. And if you leave the fan on, then you're gone all day, the thing runs all day. So I figure the only way to stop the excess moisture in the washroom and get rid of the mold is to install a timer on the fan. That way I can set the timer. This one goes to 30 minutes down to 5. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe I can program this a little longer because of where my fan is. I may need 1 hour. The fan and the ceiling's in the wrong location. I'll explain that when I get inside. Anyways, so out of this, I'm going to be making 3 videos. If you're interested, you may want to subscribe so you get notified when they come out. One's going to be the timer for the exhaust fan in the washroom. The next one is going to be the light switch on the outside, plus it's going to be inside. So nobody can shut the light off in somebody in the washroom anymore because you're going to have control inside and outside. And the window film. And this is a static one, so it should be easy to install and remove if I have to, if I make a mistake, as opposed to the glue, but we're going to try it. I never used a static cling style before, so we're going to give that a shot. And like I say, and then of course the kit, I'm going to try their kit, see if it's any good. So anyway, if you interested, don't forget to subscribe, and you'll be seeing the upcoming upgrades of the washroom. Bye for now.